In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily read deleted SMS messages on an Android smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and to enable the ability to read deleted SMS messages, first off we need to open up the settings. To do that, swipe down on your home screen and then tap right here at that gear. Once the settings is open, scroll down and get into notifications. That's where you can easily find advanced settings, get into it, and somewhere here located notification history. In here, first off, we need to ensure that it is enabled. Just hit right here at this button to turn notification history on, and when it is enabled, it will save all the notification history right here from any application. Here, as you can see, we got Telegram, WhatsApp, Gmail, and other applications, and that's where you can find deleted messages. Now I'm going to show you how it works. So I'm going to open up Messages app, and then let's say I will now delete that message from that conversation. To do that, I'm gonna select it, hit Add Trash Bin, and then hit Add Delete. Now we can head over to Notifications History. And then if we scroll down to Messages, that's where we can find the message we have just deleted, because when we delete any message from Messages app, it doesn't delete that message from notification history, so that's how we can easily find it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.